Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening File Explorer and taking action now. Press Win plus E, then Alt plus P to toggle the preview pane off. This removes the large right side preview immediately, which is the common source of unwanted file previews. Once done, make sure the window focus remained on Explorer. If the ribbon is shown, you can also use View Right Arrow Preview pane to achieve the same toggle. Turning it off here stops Explorer from rendering file contents, improving privacy and performance instantly. After disabling the preview pane, continue by removing the Details pane, which shows metadata and small previews. Press Alt plus Shift plus P to toggle it off. This prevents file properties and thumbnails from showing without opening files. Once done, make sure to inspect the View tab. Details pane there mirrors the same control. If both panes were open, closing them reduces background rendering and keeps Explorer compact. This is important because the Details pane can still expose information. Even to finish, prevent thumbnails from generating. Open folder options, right arrow view and check Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Once done, clear the thumbnail cache via disk cleanup to remove existing previews. If thumbnails persist, restart Explorer or reboot the PC to apply changes fully. Make sure to test by opening a folder with images or PDFs. Troubleshooting tip: if previews still appear, check third-party file, preview handlers, or shell extensions, and disable them using Shell Xview or uninstall the responsible app. Then restart Explorer.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.